had shoulder pain for quite a while. I did like most people and ignored it, hoped it would go away. I went to physical therapy for 2 months. Then they sent me for an MRI and I found I had a full tear of a tendon in my rotator cuff and a few other things. And that's when I had to come into the orthopedic department. Very easy fix to figure out who the best person was by asking the people that rehab the shoulder patients, Dr. Lynch. When I had my first appointment with Dr. Lynch, it's a funny thing how you approach a doctor. Sometimes you're a little unwilling to ask the hard questions, and I did feel a little uncomfortable. One of my first questions was, could you tell me what your qualifications are for doing shoulder surgeries? And his response told me a whole lot. He said, what a great question. That's his first thing he said to me, what a great question. And I just went, this is the right guy. This is totally the right guy. The communication with Dr. Lynch has always been so easy. Immediately upon meeting him, it was, come into my office, let's look at the MRI. And it was, sit down next to me here, let's look at this. And it wasn't like this private thing he had to look at and just tell me what it meant. He treated me like a partner in my own care. And he said, oh yeah, this is totally severed here. This is something that won't just go away. It was an arthroscopic repair of my right rotator cuff. I had a full tear of one of the tendons. He also had to do a bursectomy and some little labral debridement. As a medical person myself, I've always hated making a choice between a good surgeon and a bedside manner. You want a doctor who really knows what they're doing, that does surgery well. But I've seen doctors that are really good surgeons, but they're really bad bedside, communicating with the families, with the patient. I've seen that a lot. But neither do I want somebody who's really sweet and nice, but he does a bad surgery. You don't want that. Dr. Lynch is absolutely the best of those both worlds. I've seen a lot of orthopedic surgeons over my career. He's the best of the best. Just a really good man and a great surgeon. So I don't know what you can ask better than that.